The Bronze Age. During the Bronze Age, about 3000 BC to 1300 BC, metalworking advances were made, as bronze, a copper and tin alloy, was discovered. Now used for weapons and tools, the harder metal replaced its stone predecessors and helped spark innovations including the ox-drawn plow and the wheel. This time period also brought advances in architecture and art, including the invention of the potter's wheel and textiles. Clothing consisted of mostly wool items such as skirts, kilts, tunics, and cloaks. Home dwellings morphed to so-called roundhouses, consisting of a circular stone wall with a thatched or turf roof, complete with a fireplace or hearth, and more villages and cities began to form. Organized government, law, and warfare, as well as beginnings of religion, also came into play during the Bronze Age, perhaps most notably relating to the ancient Egyptians who built the pyramids during this time. The earliest written accounts, including Egyptian hieroglyphs and petroglyphs, rock engravings, are also dated to this era.